Okay, so this is going to be a pre-unboxing video of the GoPro Hero 8 and its accessories. Again, I'm doing this on my cell phone. Then I'm going to move up to a camera on the computer, and then I'll be doing some recording also with the GoPro Hero 8. Bought this at Walmart, approximately $349 with a 4-year warranty. That was about $45. So for 4 years, $45, I think it's well worth it. It's got a protective housing. This one I purchased online, I believe through Amazon. This is about $20. I think it's well worth it. So when I go biking, I can install the camera in there, and it protects it from the front and the back. I believe this also comes with an extra door hinge, so you can swap it out. That way you can have easier access to the back if you need to change any settings. Also got a sleeve and a lanyard. This is about $20. I think this will be good for when you're walking and traveling. Just want to do some regular pictures. I purchased the dual battery charger. It comes with one, and then the GoPro has a battery in it, so now I have two batteries and I can charge them both at the same time. This is a 128 gigabyte memory card. I don't know if that's the one it uses, but we'll definitely check it out. I bought that at Walmart for about $17, $18. And then I bought a GoPro package. I don't know if this is the actual brand or not, but it reads GoPro Professional Accessory Bundle. I think this was probably about, I don't remember, maybe 40, 60 bucks. If y'all want the links, I can definitely put the links up for everything that I purchased. But we'll come back to that. Let's take a look at the GoPro 8. As you can see, it's small. Let's see what I have around here that I can compare it to. Maybe Scotch tape. Smaller than that. Whoa. A water bottle. It's way smaller than that. Here's a pen. Regular size pen. So half the size. Let's see if I have anything else. One more tape measure. That way you can see the size is supposed to be roughly 2.6 inches by 1.9 by 1.1, and that's, of course, approximately. Here's the tape measure. It was tiny, right? Okay, let's take a look. So there it reads 12 megapixel camera, video, 4K at 60 frames per second. You can go underwater up to 33 feet, or you can live stream 1080p. That's what it comes with. The camera, the battery, looks like a couple of mounts, the USB Type-C charging cable. Let's look at the back of the box. Talks about the GoPro app. I guess there's a lot of functions you can do. There's the back of the GoPro. Sorry about the lighting, but I'm going to have to get used to this and get some proper lighting. So here is some good info. So let's start at the top. 12 megapixel camera. That's supposed to be, I believe, 3,456 pixels wide by 2,304 pixels high. 4K 60, 1080p 240. So the 4K 60 is roughly 3,840 pixels by 2,160 pixels, displayed 60 times per second. And of course, there's a lot of other stuff that I'm not too familiar with. 8 times slow-mo. This allows you to produce movies in slow motion. The Hyper Smooth 2.0 is a video stabilization. It keeps your videos from shaking too much. Time Warp 2.0. This allows you to increase the speed of the video. Of course, you got your 1080 live stream or 1080p live streaming. Live burst, I believe, I'm pretty sure that allows you to record movements 1.5 seconds before and after your shot. So you can choose the best single frame for the perfect video is what they disclaim. What do we got next? Super Photo plus HDR. What this does, according to what I was reading, it just helps optimize your shots. It produces a greater dynamic range of luminosity. So I guess if you have some dark areas in your photos, maybe it'll help lighten that picture up. RAW, that's I believe a file extension from Adobe, or similar to Adobe DNG format. It's .gpr. I think that's what that RAW means. Look, I think that's just the camera, and don't know, can't tell. Looks like voice command. Have no clue. Touch. See what else we got. There's the right there. It's got the little fish symbol, 33 feet, 10 meters. So that's telling me that this camera's waterproof up to 33 feet, down to 33 feet. I'll be testing that for sure this coming up summer, warm months. And GPS. So it's got a lot of features on the box. I'm sure there's a tons of other stuff in here that'll work. The protective housing, pretty much plain and simple. Protects you from extreme activities and deep water diving. And it gives some instructions. It looks like it's Spanish, French in the beginning. Who knows? And here's a sleeve and the lanyard. There you go. That's pretty cool. You wear it around your neck. He's got it on his bike. $128 ONN. It's got the adapter on it. ONN or on? I don't know this. We'll see if it works. There you go, right there. 7.25 hours of 4K video, or 22,760 photos of 20 megapixels. Again, that was at Walmart. This is what I really like, the dual battery charger. So I can charge both batteries at the same time. That's going to come in very handy. Might have to buy some more batteries. We'll see how long these batteries last. And of course, we got a head strap, a chest strap, a wrist strap. Oh, that's the mount, and then that's the wrist strap for remote control. Rotating backpack clip mount. That's pretty cool. Helmet strap, floating handle for in the water, a flat mount. It says 2. The carrying case, the bike handle. I'm going to be using that one a lot. Floating block. I don't know what that is for. An arc mount, a phone clamp. That's what I'm going to be using too. SD card reader, adhesive pads, surface quick release buckle, the car suction cup, a mount adapter, surface J hook, A lot of these I don't know what they're for, but we'll find out. Insurance tether strap. Tripod, that'll be a cool one. Foldable legs. Anti-fog inserts, definitely need these. Long thumb screw, extendable selfie stick. I probably won't need that. But so a lot of this stuff seems like I'll be using. Some of it I don't know what it is. I believe this was maybe like $50. I'm not sure. I'll have to look it up again. But there it is. Hope you enjoy. And if you can, please subscribe. And I'll be doing more videos with the GoPro 8. Thanks and have a good day.